Hi, I'm gonna share this because it's so funny, okay? It will be in Filipino. The student said, Mom, marami bang pumalo sa inyo kahapon? And I was like, ano? Mom, marami bang pumalo sa inyo kahapon? Ano? And then he said, yun sa YouTube nyo, ma'am, marami bang pumalo sa inyo? Kasi sinabi ko sa mga classmate ko na ipalo kayo. Oh my gosh, I kept on thinking that he said pumalo. Like, did somebody hit you? Did many people hit you? Oh my gosh. Oh, I was like, oh, I'm so happy because he was like supporting and telling his classmate. But like in my head, it was like, I thought you were saying like, did many people hit me? Like, why would they hit me? I think that's the problem when your first language is English. And I think he should have said, Ma'am, marami bang nag-follow sa inyo? Nag-follow instead of pumalo sa inyo, diba? Anyway, it was so funny and I'm so thankful for his effort to support my channel. Bye-bye.